In a world where billionaires flaunt their wealth, one man prefers to disappear. This is Larry Page, co-founder of Google, architect of the future, and the most quietly powerful billionaire on the planet. Today, we unlock the skies he travels in. 2 jets, 2 identities, 1 mission. Maximum privacy, maximum technology.
For Larry Page, privacy isn't a luxury, it's a system. His Gulfstream executive jet is built like a whisper in the sky. Minimalist, white, unbranded, completely untraceable.
Siberian Human, Mach 0.90 top speed. This jet doesn't just move fast, it moves ahead of the world. 7,000 plus nautical mile range, California to Tokyo, non-stop. No interruptions, no visibility. Twin Rolls-Royce BR725 engines. Low noise, high efficiency, designed for the man who hates attention. 51,000 feet altitude, flying above turbulence, traffic, and global chaos. AI-assisted cockpit, a Google-like interface built for precision, prediction, and control.
Inside, the Gulfstream transforms into a floating Google workspace. Minimalist white cabin. Zero noise, zero distraction, zero visual clutter. Private bedroom, the only place where the billionaire mind actually sleeps. Lounge and conference suite, because even in the sky, decisions must scale globally. This jet is Larry Page's silent mode.
But when Larry Page needs more than privacy, he brings out the flagship, a one-of-a-kind Boeing hybrid tech founder jet, part Boeing BBJ, part Gulfstream, part pure innovation. A jet that looks less like an aircraft and more like something from Google X.
Siberian Human, Mach 0.85, speed with stealth, designed to leave no footprint in the sky. 8,000 nautical mile range, Palo Alto to Dubai, London to Singapore. No refueling, no delays. Hybrid Rolls-Royce GE engines, whisper quiet thrust, billionaire level efficiency. AI autopilot with LIDAR navigation, not just flying, predicting. Sea-level cabin pressure, long flights, zero fatigue, maximum clarity.
Siberian Human. Step inside, and the hybrid jet becomes Larry Page's futuristic sanctuary. CEO Private Capsule. A sealed bubble of comfort, built for deep work. Smart glass windows. One gesture, and daylight becomes privacy mode. Lounge and productivity hub. Holographic displays. Ambient lighting. A workspace designed for $1 trillion mind. This jet isn't just transportation, it's a flying prototype lab.
Siberian Human 2 jets. 2 purposes. The Gulfstream, the ghost in the sky. The Boeing hybrid, the future above the clouds. Together, they form the aviation world of Larry Page, a man who doesn't chase the spotlight. He silently rewrites the world from above. This is Larry Page's private sky. Unseen, unmatched, unreachable.